Hey everyone, so here is this app which is called Rock Identifier Stone ID. There are a bunch of apps in this category, so you can identify insects, birds, mushrooms, plants, coins, whatever you want. And yeah, it's like super exciting and yeah, it's kind of also addictive as well. So you can, it's an all-in-one stone, crystal, mineral, and gemstone identifier. Simply take or upload a photo of rock or crystal, and the app will tell you all about it in seconds. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. This rock scanner app can recognize over 6,000 types of rocks and minerals and helps anyone who wants to identify, examine, and explore the characteristic of stones. So then I can just tap open, and then I'll be able to open this app. And then you can just continue 7 days for free, then $29.99 per year. So there is this option, and yeah, you can just tap to claim it. So it's really like, that's basically the app. So you have some home feed here where you have all of these different types and some information and all of that. So you can just see some info around it. So then you can just some images and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just try out to identify some rock. So I'm just bringing up some rock here, which I just collected, and I just pretty curious how it might look like. So focus your image on the most colorful and patterned side of the stone. So there you. And then yeah, here it just says limestone, yellow, white, gray. And then you can see some other textures, then you can see some more examples, then you can see some collection, then you can see some other information. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. It's pretty cool, right? So yeah, then you can just tap add to my collection, for example. But yeah, for that you will need. So that's basically the idea. Yeah, so now you just have 2 photos generated around this stone. So now let's just try to identify other. So here's another stone here. So then it says basalt, a lava stone or lava rock. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, so here you're getting like 2, 3 more results. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I think that's the one. So now I just got 2 stones here. So yeah, that's basically the idea. That's what you can have here, and then there are just like different videos, different information, different guides. Then you can just see a metal detector. The tool is empowered by the magnetic sensor that is built into your phone. This detector works magnetic rocks or minerals such as magnetite, pyrrhotite, and meteorite, and then you can just identify that. And then you can just set, there is a valuation guide, rose stones, tumble stones, and diamond rings. So you can like identify some of those. Okay, so let's just identify the valuation of limestone. Yeah. Wow, so I can sell it for like $37. It's just for reference only. We recommend using our AI valuation tool for raw stones and tumble stones. Yes, I'm satisfied with the result. I just collected, you can collect like half of the beach of this stone. So this sounds pretty cool that, yeah, I don't think that's exactly correct, but maybe, yeah, someone can actually buy it for like that. And then, yeah, then you just have your page. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. That's the app. I think it can be pretty addictive if you like geology or you like traveling, or yeah, something in that area. So definitely give a try to this app. Um, yeah, it can be just interesting to explore, and also yeah, you can just teach your kids around it. It can be a fun game to play, or if you're traveling, if you're on some beach and stuff like that, and just found some interesting stone, you have no idea what that is, and then you can just educate yourself and instantly use this app. I'm pretty sure it's powered by some AI technology, and it just will become better and better. There is another app which I was also using a lot, which is called like CoinSnap, where yeah, you can just basically identify all the different coins. So yeah, you can also try out that one, but there are more and more apps in this category where you can easily identify all these things with yeah, with just with your phone, which is pretty cool. In these apps, there are also different themes, and there are also similar apps from this developer where you can also in this collection where you can identify birds, insects, and all of that. So just look for more apps from this developer, and it can also be pretty cool. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. Thank you for checking out this video. Make sure to like it so more people can discover it. You can also check out my web blog, mrhack.io. And yeah, you can also check out my TikTok. I just post interesting videos about cool and exciting apps. And that's basically it. Hope this is helpful for you, and hope to see you in the next videos.